Eureka, 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 Eureka! I got it!
Welcome to Eureka Publication Private Limited, creators of engaging textbooks and digital learning tools. Let's dive right in.
Welcome to the ice melt race. In this short experiment, we will compare how fast ice melts in warm water versus hot water, and then use it to build a deep intuition for heat and temperature. Materials we will use: 2 identical beakers, ice cubes, warm water at 40 degrees Celsius, hot water at 70 degrees Celsius, a thermometer, and a stopwatch. Procedure: place 1 ice cube in each beaker. Add 100 milliliters of warm water at 40 degrees Celsius to the left beaker. Add 100 milliliters of hot water at 70 degrees Celsius to the right beaker. Then, start the stopwatch and record the time each ice cube takes to melt completely. Observations: the ice in hot water melts faster than the ice in warm water. Both beakers started with the same mass of ice, but the hot water provided heat at a faster rate because of the larger temperature difference. Now, what did we actually learn? Heat and temperature are not the same thing. Temperature measures how hot or cold something is, proportional to the average kinetic energy of its particles. Heat is energy in transit, the thermal energy transferred because of a temperature difference. Let's compare them side by side. Definition of heat. Heat is the thermal energy transferred from one body to another because of a temperature difference. Energy flows from the hotter object to the cooler object until temperatures move toward equilibrium. Definition of temperature. Temperature measures the hotness or coldness and is proportional to the average kinetic energy of particles. Higher temperature means, on average, faster moving particles. Putting it all together, in our experiment, the hot water started at a higher temperature than the warm water, so heat flowed faster into the ice, melting it more quickly. That is why the ice in hot water finished melting first, even though both beakers had the same amount of ice and the same volume of water. Final takeaways: heat is energy that is transferred because of a temperature difference. Temperature measures average particle kinetic energy, the average speed of the tiny particles. Same temperature does not always mean same heat, because heat also depends on how much stuff you have. Thanks for exploring the ice melt race.
This session was brought to you by Eureka Publication Private Limited. Think it, dream it, do it. Join us for the next lesson. Till then, like, subscribe, and share. Eureka Digital Publications, creators of trusted textbooks and digital learning tools.